Welcome to my channel. Today I filmed this look right here that I just did. It's just how I do my makeup every day with some earrings and like a bun. So I thought, you know, why not film it so I could show you. Enjoy. So once your base is blended out, you're gonna look very one-dimensional just like I do right now. So I take my Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette, the contour shade, and I use the Sephora Pro brush. I got this years ago. I don't know if they still have them. So I just take that on my brush, and I start at my forehead because I have a huge forehead and I like to shrink it down. And I just do it, you know, in blending motions from the start. I'm not packing it on immediately because then you're just gonna have a harder time blending it out. And this is just part one of bronzing slash contouring because I go in with bronzer later. But yeah, so I just use my contour as eyeshadow because I don't care to wear eyeshadow every day. And also, it's better to use a fat brush to cover your entire eyelid than take your time blending with a little brush. And then I contour my nose. And that. Whoop. Okay, now that I've done the base of my contour, we're gonna take the butter bronzer. I go in with the butter bronzer. Blend, blend, blend. Okay, so I take the same, I use the same brush for my blush because why not, you know? I also put it on the tip of my nose just for a little, you know, realism, to look like I got a tan, a suntan. And you see how much, like, I don't even have my mascara on, nothing. And I look so much better because I just look healthier. I don't look dead anymore. Once I'm done with my contour, bronzer, blush, and everything, I use the Glossier, yes, I say Glossier, Halo Scope stick in the shade Quartz. This is my holy grail. Okay, if I don't wear this every single day, then I feel incomplete because this just makes my skin look, it gives it a natural glow. There's no glitter in it. It's just, it makes you look so dewy and natural. So I just warm it up with my fingers and I tap. You see? Do you see that? My face, on my cheekbone, on the higher points of my face. I put it on the tip. I'm not flipping you off. I'm putting it on my nose. Put it on the tip of my nose, right here, on my brow bone. I hate using powder highlight because it just looks chalky. It doesn't look like skin, and that's why I like using this. Just lightly powder it. Also, this is like a crucial step in my routine. I take the flat part of the sponge and I dip it in powder and I clean up my contour with this. So I just go like under it and I create like a line to clean it up because I have a lot of like acne scars from when I had acne before on my cheeks, and it makes my contour look muddy because it makes it look like I put it there when I didn't. It's just dark spots from having pimples, from having had pimples. So I like to clean up my contour with it because it just makes it look sharper and cleaner. Yeah. So now I just blend that line so it's not like a strong stripe. I just blend that with my sponge and just keep blending, you know. Just make sure everything looks like skin, everything looks natural. That's the whole point of my makeup, to look like I woke up like this, but really it's a lot of makeup. It takes a lot of effort to look effortless. Yeah. I'm sorry if I seem like I'm hitting my face too much. It's a sponge, you know. I feel like I look like I'm being so rough. Eyelash curler. I'm just gonna curl my lashes for like 10 minutes till they're like straight up. Also, I curl one eye at a time. I curl one eye and I do my mascara, and then curl the other eye and then do my mascara, because I feel like the lift falls by the time I've done this eye's mascara, so it's better to curl, mascara, curl, mascara. So my mascara routine is like the longest part of my makeup routine, because I just sit here brushing through my lashes for like 10 minutes until they look how I want them to look. This is why it's so tiring for me to do my makeup, because it takes me 10 minutes to do one eye. Mascara. So now that we're done with the eyes, finally, we just have the last step, the lips. So I take MAC Oak lip pencil. It's my favorite lip pencil because it's like my skin tone but darker, and it just looks like my lips are bigger because I overline them a lot, but it looks so natural because like my skin tone but better. So yeah, that's MAC Oak. And I usually like to follow with a lighter lip gloss. What am I gonna do today? I think I'm gonna do MAC lip gloss in See-Through. I just got this and it's really nice. I really like how MAC lip gloss stays on for a while, and it doesn't give you the you know when you wear lip gloss and your lips like start getting chapped? Yeah, this doesn't do that. It just stays sticky the whole day. The whole day. So yeah, that's the look. So I'm gonna let you in on a secret. I actually haven't washed my hair in 4 days, which is so bad because my hair gets really greasy, but I'm trying to train it to produce less oil by washing it less frequently. And I thought, you know, what better opportunity to do that than right now that we're quarantined and no one's gonna see me and I'm home all the time. So today I'm gonna do like a low bun, since I think I'm just gonna part it in the middle like so. And if your hair is clean and you want to do, you know, a bun, you could just put like some gel in it or whatever. I don't know, you guys know how to do your own hair. I'm not a hair person. I never wear my hair in the middle because I feel like I look so disgusting. I mean, hello, I look like alfalfa. So just keep perfecting the line so it could be like a straight line. I mean, that's as straight as I can get it. Whatever. Then you're gonna take a hair tie. I actually don't have hair ties. I love how I'm filming a tutorial when I don't even have the proper materials to film it. Love that for me. I'm gonna find a hair tie. Okay, so I've got my bun down. It doesn't look perfect at all. I'm literally just throwing this up. And I'm gonna take these earrings I just bought from a shop on Depop from Jenny Romero. I'm gonna put the link for her shop in the description because she makes really nice earrings. So I just got these. Look at how cute they are. So cute. Okay, aren't these so cute? I look like Polly Pocket or something. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. It's actually really cute. Like, I surprised myself. But yeah, thank you for watching, and subscribe to me if you like this. Comment, like, whatever, you know. Follow me on Instagram. Period. That's it. Thanks for watching. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. It's actually really cute. Like, I surprised myself. But yeah, thank you for watching, and subscribe to me if you like this. Comment, like, whatever, you know. Follow me on Instagram. Period. That's it. Never filmed a you sound any more fucking not happy.